Welcome to CAD Interop. We provide CAD interoperability solution. This video will present measurement functionalities of 3DViewStation. You can access to all measurement tools in this menu. Please make sure you define the correct profile in order to see all features. All dimensions created can be retrieved as a special node in the structure. They could be hidden or deleted if needed. When selected a measurement tool, the dedicated menu appears. You can set different colors or rendering before creating a dimension. You can also use preset or create new one. To create a dimension, you just need to select the tool. Next, select a position on the model. For a coordinate point, you just need one position. The only way to modify a dimension is by changing properties. You can also add text if needed. I will isolate a geometry to show you some measurement tools. To measure a length, just select the feature and select one edge. To calculate the length for several edges, select the second tool, select all edges and click Complete. One tip: length and cumulated length are shown here. Now I will show you how to use circle measurement tools. To measure a radius, a circle or a perimeter, select the appropriate feature and select the circle on geometry. You can also create a circle center position. And an area. Important. There is two ways to identify circle. The best option is arc, but, time to time, 3DViewStation gets some difficulty to identify circle when tessellation is too low. In this case, the 3 points option can be used, but it's less accurate. There is many ways to measure a distance. I will not cover all features. The methodology is quite similar. Select the feature, select the first position and select the second position. Here, we created a dimension for a distance between two faces. You can also create a dimension for a distance between two circle axes. By default, the distance is a direct distance. But you can create dimension according to the current coordinate system as shown in this example. 3 additional dimensions have been created, parallel to x, y and z. There are 2 ways to calculate the minimum distance between solids. I will show you how to measure an angle. There are several tools for this. Axis to axis. Measure an angle between two non-parallel axes like in this example. Plane to plane. Measure angle between two non-parallel faces. If you want to measure angle between three holes, you have to create additional points. Please follow the following process. To measure face area, please use the following dedicated tool. Just click once on face. It's the same methodology to measure thickness. Select the dedicated tool and select a position for measurement. There are two methodologies for wall thickness. Ray-based is the first one. The ray passes through the geometry to the next surface. The measure is the direct distance between faces. The second methodology is called rolling ball, sphere. A sphere is created tangentially to the pointed position and extended until the sphere touches another face. It could be parallel or not, as for this example. The measure is the diameter of the sphere. There are several options to create a bounding box. World will create a bounding box parallel to the current coordinate system. Precise will rotate the bounding box to get the smaller possible volume. Note that for both tools you have to select geometry first. There is a dedicated tool to measure drill holes in one click. This magic feature will create a dimension with diameter and depth of the hole, plus all dimensions of the chamfer. Please note, you can create views to capture your measurements, as for project review. Thank you for watching this video. You can get more information about 3DViewStation and help topics on www.cadinterop.com.